Hello, today you're looking at a Don Yang Precision Lathe brought to you by Lanco. Unit is in good working condition, as you can see and hear. It is wired for 480 volt with an overall dimensions of 118 inches long by 54 inches wide by 63 inches high. Weighs roughly 6,200 pounds, has a variable speed right there. It does come with two chucks. One is in there right now, the 3-jaw. It also has a 4-jaw chuck, which is here on the right hand side. Also comes with a steady rest here. And as we take a walk around, it also has tooling, which is in the blue bucket there, and a live center as well. Screen on the bottom for draining. Very good condition. The rattling is just the doors here on the control panel. Take a look inside. It does have a 14-inch swing, and it's 52 inches between centers. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.